Hey, welcome Rock on Beer viewers. This is a little video I shot a little over a month ago. My friend Peter invited me over to his garden where he had a massive Cascade plant that needed some picking. And this is actually my first ever hop harvest. And so, yeah, you're going to be able to see us harvest some hops. And then later on in the video, we're going to take a look at Peter's homemade hop drying apparatus. So, yeah, I hope you enjoy it, and sit back, relax, and let's go back to a time when the weather was much nicer than it is today. So, cheers.
I guess.
Yeah, let's see the hop dryer.
I took the shells out of the closet and put some netting in there. Got some
Oh, the radiator, yeah. The radiator's down here.
and I got some air blowing through here. Let's come down there, go out there. The main thing is actually I have a quite warm temperature and some airflow.
Yeah.
It's not. You don't want to cook the hops. You just want to have the air.
Yeah,
move
just
around
the
it.
warm air. Is this last year's crop still left here?
Yeah. And if you rub that, you smell that actually.
Oh yeah, it smells like old dry hops.
Yeah, but it's definitely take a whiff here. It's definitely Cascade.
Yeah. So now we're gonna take our bowls of green hops.
And just spread them out. Single layer, possibly. I'm gonna be turning these at least once every 24 hours, just gently, and after 2 to 3 days, they're good to go.
So it only takes 2 to 3 days before they dry out completely?
Yep. And actually, we just made a kind of a big mistake, because I wanted to have the weight of these.
Oh yeah, we didn't weigh them.
But you can feel it when they're ready. And usually you'll have a fifth of the weight left. The rest of this water, and yeah, we're trying to reduce this to a fifth of the weight. So I guess 4 bowls is the target for the day.
Yeah, it looks like it. This is the top layer, and then still got a bottom layer left. Looks like you've got room for another one.
Yeah, but I guess it's going to be real close to the radiator, so
Those will be the extra dry hops.
we'll see, because I guess 4 bowls of hops here times 2 maybe I guess 6 to 8 bowls is what I'm gonna do seasonally, and then I get tired of it. I mean, how much homegrown hops can a brewer use, right?
Hey, thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see what becomes of these hops in the future, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're planning quite a few brews with these homegrown Danish Cascade hops. And also consider subscribing to Rock On Beer on all of these other fine social media platforms. You can find the links in the description. Cheers.